paprika, sweet pepper flakes, this is sea salt, garlic, and herbs. So I'm going to mix the dry ones first together. After mixing them, you can also add a little bit of salt, and then the lemon juice, a spoon of garlic, teaspoon chopped garlic, sprinkle a little bit of olive oil, and mix that together again. You can cover this and leave it in the fridge overnight before cooking them. Now the chicken wings are ready to be baked. I'll bake them for like 20 minutes in the oven.